This harvest season, from up in the sky and down to the ground, we're on a journey, keeping our eyes over Hubei. I'm Morag Hobbs. Join me as I trace the twists and turns of the Yangtze River through central China's Hubei Province. Let's start from here. I'm in Shipai Township in Hubei Province, a township famous for its tofu. In fact, of the 259 households here, people from over 240 of them work in tofu production all over China and even abroad. Now, it's a little noisy today. I'm in a field and it's harvest season. I can see some farmers over there working, so I think I'm going to go and ask them some questions. How's the harvest going today? I see all of you guys have one of these huge combine harvesters. Does that make the harvest quicker? Whoa, 很快，很快。I want to know how many gin of beans they process every day.
那时候可能就是个8万斤到10万斤。一天？一天可以晒10万斤左右。从开始我们这种出来黄豆啊，它就不别都是黄豆，它但不是高兴，就是前天别人到我们这来养到我们的黄豆，我们黄豆才10本了，那10本35件鸡啊，咱们是
47码，47码，
原来那河从400整那里过的嘛，这现在后来改道了，那都改过去了，这是个小坎坷。后来这土地可肥沃了。这就是我们家。
一开始别的地方还没研发出来这种，就是10万人做豆腐的就很多，因为那时候没有钱，就在外面做豆腐。这一点我们英语老师教过我们。
像我吧，80年我就出去了，当时贷款400块钱，开始拿做主都在换大米，最后把大米做到京东来一个，调到是调的当时。我们这块人可勤劳了，我们这一块吧，它好像比别处都富裕一点，实际都挺辛苦啊，挣出来的。
我爷爷做生意做了1辈子。
会说